Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us deal with but don't often talk about: dark spots in our armpit and vaginal areas. If you've been feeling self-conscious about it, don't worry. We're here with some effective and friendly advice to help you out. What causes dark spots? So, what causes those pesky dark spots anyway? Well, they can be a result of friction, hormonal changes, or even just your skin's natural reaction to various factors. And guess what? It's super common. You're definitely not alone in this. 2024 study highlights. A cool find from a 2024 study published in the Journal of Dermatology shows us that certain treatments can really make a difference. This research points to effective ingredients that help brighten those areas while keeping your skin healthy. Let's dive into what works. Popular skincare and treatment options. Alright, let's talk products. Here are some fan favorites that are getting great reviews. 1. Hydroquinone creams, often recommended for serious stubborn spots. It's super effective if used correctly, but remember to consult your dermatologist first. 2. Niacinamide products. These are a hit for their brightening effects. Look for serums or creams that contain this powerhouse ingredient. 3. Glycolic acid lotions, available from many well-known brands. These help exfoliate and lighten dark spots. 4. Kojic Acid, another popular ingredient found in many skincare lines. It's great for targeting dark pigmentation. 5. The Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin. This is a go-to for many on a budget. It dims spots over time and gives that glow. Make sure to apply these products gently and follow any usage instructions. Okay, but let's chat about how to use these products safely. Here are some key tips. Always do a patch test first, just to be safe. You don't want to surprise your skin. Avoid anything too harsh that could irritate your sensitive areas. Sun protection is a must. Use sunscreen on these areas if exposed, as UV can darken spots even more. Plus, don't forget that what you eat and how much water you drink plays a role in your skin's health too. Lastly, let's look at some easy lifestyle changes you can make. Opt for loose clothing to reduce friction. Comfort is key. Don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist if you're considering laser treatments or peels for quicker results. Exfoliate regularly and gently. This helps promote new skin cells and can even out your tone. So there you have it, a complete guide to addressing those dark spots confidently and effectively. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so find what works best for you. If you have more questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and friendly skincare advice. Thanks for watching and take care.